Hello everyone, I am Marwa Rashed and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will have a story time. Our story for today is The Lion and the Kitten. Mother Cat has to go out. Will Lion please take care of Kitten? Asks Mother Cat. Mother Cat gets her jacket. There is a key in the pocket of the jacket. The key is for the Jeep. Mother Cat gets in the Jeep and she drives away. Kitten is excited. Will Lion take her to play by the lake? Lion is kind but very lazy. He turns off his lamp. He goes to sleep. Now, Kitten is hungry. In the kitchen, she finds bread, a jar of jam, and some juice. Can you see what Kitten is doing? What a mess! Soon, Lion wakes up and turns on the lamp. He goes into the kitchen. What does he see? That's right, jam all over the kitchen. Juice all over the table. Kitten is licking her leg. Why? There is jam all over her leg. Yum! Lazy Lion will help Kitten clean up the mess. Then they can go to the lake. Everything is good now. Kitten takes her kite to run and fly it there. At last, Kitten and Lion are so happy. Let's review. J jacket, jacket. Jeep, jeep. Jam, jam. Jar, jar. Juice, juice. K, kitten, kitten. Key, key. Kind, kind. Kitchen, kitchen. Kite, kite. L, lion, lion. Lake, lake. Lazy, lazy. Lamp, lamp. Lick, lick. Leg, leg. And that was the end of our story time. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.